Hello there everyone and welcome. Do you want to create your own text-to-speech converter app? If so, you are in the right place. Today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a fully functional text-to-speech converter app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Before directly jump right into the video, let me show you the functionality of this text-to-speech converter app on my computer screen. Select another voice over here and click this convert button.
Do you want to create your own text-to-speech converter app? If so, you are in the right place.
Yup, that's it. So let me select another voice over here, and when I click this convert button,
Do you want to create your own text-to-speech converter app? If so, you are in the right place.
alright, yup, it's working. And now let me change another voice from the select option. And when I click this convert button,
Do you want to create your own text-to-speech converter app? If so, you are in the right place.
convert again.
Do you want to create your own text-to-speech converter app? If so, you are in the right place.
Yup, it's working. So, if you want to create your own text-to-speech converter app, you are in the right place. The only thing expected from you is watch this video till the end. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Oh wait, if you are new here, consider subscribing and press the notification bell icon to be notified while I come out a daily training video just like this one. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So now to create this text-to-speech converter app, what I would like to do is we're going to open my code editor. For the time being, I am going to use VS Code as a code editor. By the way, you can use any code editor as you want. The choice is up to you. So now here we have, inside this, what we are going to do is, we are going to open a folder right here. Let me say text-to-speech. Inside this folder, we need to have three documents. The first one is index.html document, style.css document, and app.js document. So now let me create the index.html document inside this folder. Here we have index.html document. So now what I would like to do is press the shift key and the exclamation key simultaneously, and when I press enter, here we have the boilerplate for the HTML document. Here we have the basic HTML document right here. So now let me give a title for the project. Here we have text-to-speech converter app. And then what I would like to do is we are going to create style.css document over here. Inside this style.css document, we need to have some property value pair. Here we have the universal selector, padding 0, margin 0, box sizing border box. This property value pair which is found inside this universal selector is going to be applied over each HTML element. Again, here we have body element selector, so using this body element selector, we need to add some property value pair. So width 100%, height 100 viewport height, and background color we have linear gradient. This background color is spread to the left. So here we have to the left and display. Let me, for the time being, let me remove this. It's not necessary. Again, what I would like to do is over here we are going to create another document which is app.js. This is for the JavaScript. So now what I would like to do is we are going to link this style.css document with that of an HTML document right here. So to link this HTML document with that of the style.css document, what I would like to do is we are going to use a link tag inside the element right here. So inside this link tag we have an attribute right here. So now, as you can see here, the style.css document and the index.html document are found on the same directory. So simply what I would like to do is we are going to type style.css. Over here we have style.css. Alright, so now above the closing of the body tag, we are going to link the app.js document with that of the index.html document using a script tag. Here we have script, and then the value for the source attribute will be the app.js. After that, what I would like to do is we are going to open this document with live server. So right click and then open with live server to observe the live change while we code, right? So here we have the title of the project, text-to-speech converter app. Alright, now we have just opened my code editor and the web browser side by side, just like this one, to see the live change. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create a div element having a class name, let me say text container. Inside this div element, we are going to create an h3 element right here. h3, let me say, text-to-speech converter app. And then again, what we are going to do is we are going to create another div. We are going to create another div element having a class name. Let me say a speech container. So inside this div element having a class name speech container, what we are going to create is we are going to create an option which is a select option right here, which is a select option. Here we have select, and then again we need to have a button, right? A button right here. Let me say listen, convert. Here we have convert. Here we have, right? Then over here we need to have a text entry box. So to create this text entry box, what we are going to do is we are going to use text area element right here. So we have text area, and then we need to have a placeholder over here. Let me say enter your text. So now when I save and refresh, here we have. So this is the HTML part. Now let's move right into to style this HTML document. So first what we are going to do is we are going to move this at the center. So to do this we are going to use display flexbox. So we have display flex, align item center, justify content also center. When I save, here we have at the center. You see, that's cool. So using this class selector text container right here, let me add some property value here. So text container with 100% maximum width, 30 rem, background color transparent, margin from all the side 1 rem, and padding 1 rem. Now save again. Here we have. Now let me style the text which is found inside the h3 element, which is text-to-speech converter app. So using this selector right here, we are going to add some property value here. So here we have text align center, margin auto, font weight bold, and font size 2 rem, which is 2 times the global font size 60 pixels. So here we go. Alright, over here, let me add a span element to style this in different way. So span, let me style this text in different way. Here we have span element selector. Now let me add some property value here. Let me change the color for the text. So here we have a color. Let me use this as a text color. So now when I save and the web page, here we have. You see? Now let me style this select option and button using this speech container class selector. So here we have a class selector which is called a speech container, and let me add some property value here. So speech container display will be flex, align item center, and justify content space between, and border radius to rim and margin, one rim. After that, when I save, here we have. So now, what I would like to do is, let me style the text area field, which is, here we have, using this element selector text area. So with 27 rim and height, 80 rim, region 2 pixel, and border none, outline none, and border radius 0.5 rim, and background color, here our background color, and resize. Let me remove this and show you how it works. Padding 1.2 rim and font size 1 rim. After that, when I save and refresh the web page, here we have a text area field. So now, as you can see here, this text area field can be resizable, right? It can be resizable. So to avoid this effect, what we are going to do is we are going to use another property, another essential property, which is resize. Resize right here, and resize will be, you can either size both horizontal, none, or vertical, or you can use none, right? For styling, it's better to use none. So as you can see here, this text area field cannot be resized, or it cannot be reduced by its size due to this resizable effect, which is none. So now again, what we are going to do is we are going to style this select option. Here we have a select option right here. So now using this select element selector, we are going to add some property value here. So select flex will be 1, which takes the whole space, right? And color will be, here we have, and background, we have a background color, and padding 1 rim from top and bottom, and 1.5 rim from left and right. Overflow, hidden, border none, outline none, and border radius 30 pixels. After that, when I save, here we have, you see? So now, let me style the text which is found over this text area, which is a placeholder text. So to style this, what we are going to do is we are going to use this placeholder. Font size 1.2 rim, padding 1 rim, and color dark red. After that, here we have. Now let me style the button which is over here, convert button, or we can use a listen button or watch button right here. So to style this, what we are going to do is we are going to use this button element selector right here. And here we have a background color right here, text transform capitalized, and padding 1 rim from top and bottom, and 1.5 rim, which is 1.5 rim from left and right, and border radius, which is 1.5 rim, and border also none. We have color right here, font size right here, outline none, and cursor pointer, since it's a clickable button. After that, when I save, here we have. Now, what we are going to do is, over here, let me make the text container background color to transparent. So, background transparent. And then, here we go, right here. Here we have the CSS part. Alright everyone, we have just completed the styling and the finishing part for this text-to-speech converter app. Now, what I would like to do is, we are going to make this text-to-speech converter app functional. First, what we are going to do is, we are going to make this button functional, and we are going to fetch different voices that are available on this window using speech synthesis utrans. So, what does it mean, speech synthesis utrans? It is, this speech synthesis utrans is a constructor. This speech synthesis interface of the website, the web speech API, is the controller interface for the speech service. This can be used to retrieve information about the synthesis voices available on the device, right? So, we are going to fetch different voices that are available on the global window object. It represents the speech request. So now, first what I would like to do is, we are going to access the button element right here. Here we have the button, which is the convert button. So to access this button element, what I would like to do is, first we are going to declare a variable right here, let me say const, and speech button, let me say speech button. So we are going to access this button using different methods. You can use either getElement by ID method, or you can use either query selector. So for me, it's better to use query selector. So here we have document dot query selector, and then over here we have a single button element right here. So now we are going to pass this button element over here. Now, after that, what we are going to do is, we are going to access this select element. So, const, let's say, select voice. Then, again, we are going to use a query selector. So, document.query selector. Over here, we have a single select element right here. Here we have select. So, we are going to pass select element over here. And now, what I would like to do is, we are going to create a speech synthesis utrans constructor. So to do this, what I would like to do is, we are going to declare a variable, let me say let, then the variable name, let me say speech. Then we have a new constructor, new, then we need to have a speech synthesis utrans as a constructor. This speech synthesis utrans object available on the global window object represents a speech request, right? So here we have a speech synthesis utrans right here. This web speech API interface represents a speech request. It contains the content of the speech service should read and the information about how to read it. Example, it contains the language of the voice, it also contains the volume. Now, what I would like to do is, we are going to store these different voices that are available on the window as an array of objects. So, let me say voices. For the first time, we need to have an empty array, right? We need to have an empty array, and just like this. And then, what I would like to do is, window dot, we have speech synthesis. We have speech synthesis right here. Then, on voice change it, right here we have on voice change it. This is the voice changing event of the web speech API is fired when the list of speech synthesis voice objects that would be returned by the synthesis.getVoice method has changed when the voice changing event fires, right? So now we have window.speechSynthesis.onChange, then we are going to use another function. We have voices, then this voice means window access speech synthesis dot get voices, right? The voices, as you can see here, it is an array of objects. So voices equals window dot speech synthesis dot get voices. We have speech right here, speech dot voice, speech dot voice equals voices. This voice is an array of objects, so the default value for this select option is going to be the first voice, which is the voice having the index value 0, right? That's why we are going to pass 0 as an index value right here. Now we are going to iterate through different voices using a JavaScript for each method. So voices dot for each. After that, we need to have two parameters. The first parameter, let me say, voice, and we need to have an index value right here. And then we need to have an row function. After that, we have a select option, a select voice right here, dot option, options, this is options, right? And then we have an index value, which is right here, I. Equals new option. Then we need to pass voice dot name, and then we need to pass its index value right here. As you can see here we have different voices. You see, all the voices that are available on this device globally on the device can be fetched just like this one. As you can see here we have different voices. This voice is fetched by using speech synthesis U-trans. It is a constructor, right? That enables to fetch different voices that are available globally on the device. So now, as a default value here we have the first voice, which is Microsoft David. Alright, so now what I would like to do is we are going to make this button functional. When I click this, then this text should be converted to voice. So to perform this, what I would like to do is we are going to create another function that enables to convert this text into voices. After that, what I would like to do is we are going to make this convert button functional. The first job that we are going to do is we are going to access the text which is found inside this text area field. So to do this, what I would like to do is we are going to create a function right here. We need to have an event listener. So we have a speech button, which is a button element right here, a speech button, and then we need to use an event listener. Then this event listener takes two parameters. The first parameter is the events that we are going to perform. For me, we are going to perform a click event, and then the second parameter is what would happen when I click this button, which is we need to perform some action. So we need to pass two parameters. The first parameter, like I said before, we need to have a click event, and then we need to have a function. So a speech, we have a speech right here, a speech dot text means when document dot query selector, then we are going to fetch the text inside this text area field. So to access the text which is found inside this text area field, we need to use this text area element right here. We have text area element right here, text area dot access its value, right? Alright. Now what I would like to do is we are going to convert this text into the voice that we need to have. So to do this, window dot speech synthesis dot speak, which is a method for speech synthesis U-trans. Then we need to pass this speech. After that, let me type something over here. Let me say, hello everyone. And then when I click this convert button,
hello everyone.
Yup. That's working, right? Yep, it's working, right? So now you can select different voices as you want. Now, when I click this convert button,
Hello everyone,
here we
welcome to
have
my
the
channel.
voice. Yeah, that's working, right? So now, when I select different voices from these different voices using select option, let me select this, and again when I click this convert button,
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
oh, you only heard the same voice. So to solve this problem, what I would like to do is we're going to use another event listener, which is on-change event listener. So now we need to have select voices. Here we have select voice, which is the voice that we are going to found from the selected option over here dot event add event listener. Then we need to have the event that we are going to perform. We need to perform the on-change event listener right here, change, then we need to have a function right here. So this means the speech dot voice equals the index of the voices. So voices, and we have the index value. The index value will be select voice dot value. After that, when I save this, and let me type something, and again let me click this convert button.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
Here we have the first voice, and now let me change another voice right here, and when I click this convert button,
Hello everyone, welcome to my
here
channel.
we have another fantastic voice, and now let me change another voice. Let me use this voice, and when I click this,
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
let me change this voice.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
Yep, it's working, right? If this content is valuable, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell icon, since more incredible JavaScript project mastery videos are on the way. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.
Do you want to create your own text-to-speech converter app? If so, you are in the right place.
Select another voice over here and click this convert button.
Do you want to create your own text-to-speech converter app? If so, you are in the right place.
Yep, that's it. So now let me select another voice over here, and when I click this convert button,
Do you want to create your own text-to-speech converter app? If so, you are in the right place.
alright, yep, it's working. And now let me change another voice from the select option, and when I click this convert
Do
button,
you want to create your own text-to-speech converter app? If so, you are in the right place.
convert again.
Do you want to create your own text-to-speech converter app? If so, you are in the right place.
Yep, it's working. So, if you want to create your own text-to-speech converter app, you are in the right place. The only thing expected from you is watch this video till the end. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video.